You open your favorite app, check the comment section, or listen to a nearby conversation, and realize you don't recognize a single word being said. That gap has a social cost. It's the friction of missing the punchline to a joke, or misreading the room because you're missing the specific vocabulary everyone else is using. Standard dictionaries can't keep up with this. Internet language evolves at the speed of an algorithm, moving from a niche meme to a global standard in a matter of days on platforms like TikTok. To navigate these spaces, you need to understand the 10 specific terms that are currently defining how we speak in 2025. We can group these words into 3 categories based on how they function: words for the absurd, words for evaluation, and words for hype. Our first group focuses on the absurd. These are the words you use when the internet, or your daily life, stops making logical sense. First is brain rot. This describes being so fixated on a specific type of content that it becomes all you can think about. If you've spent 48 hours straight playing a new video game or binging a series to the point where you can't talk about anything else, you're experiencing brain rot. Then there is skibbity. This is a label for something that is completely random or nonsensical, but has somehow become a massive viral trend. You might also hear a situation described as Ohio. This has moved past being a US state. It's now shorthand for something awkward or chaotic, like a weather system that switches from a rainstorm to bright sun in 30 seconds. These terms give us a way to joke about a digital world that often feels disconnected from reality. The next category is for evaluation. We use these terms to rank our preferences and playfully critique the people around us. RIO is an acronym for Ranked in Order. You'll hear people ask for your RIO on the best Marvel movies or the top 5 restaurants in the city to see how your tastes stack up. Dulu is short for delusional. It's a lighthearted way to describe someone with wildly unrealistic expectations, like a friend who buys one lottery ticket and starts picking out the furniture for their new mansion. Then there is mewing. Originally a fitness technique for jaw alignment, it is now used as a playful way to tell someone to stop whining or complaining about a minor inconvenience. Using terms like Dulu or mewing allows you to tease a friend or call out a behavior without making the interaction feel heavy or confrontational. These words allow for a specific kind of casual critique that keeps the conversation moving. The final group is all about hype. These terms are used to show support, express excitement, and celebrate confidence. A baddie is someone who projects high levels of confidence and style. Calling someone a baddie is a direct nod to their self-worth and how they present themselves to the world. If you see someone working on a clever idea or handling a difficult situation, you might say, "Let him cook." It's a way of telling everyone else to step back and give that person the space to finish what they're doing. When you witness something genuinely impressive, the go-to exclamation is "Gat." You'd use this the moment a skateboarder lands a massive trick or a chef presents a perfect dish. It's a shorthand for shock and amazement. Finally, we have amped. This describes a state of high-energy anticipation. You are amped when you're looking forward to a weekend trip or walking into a high-stakes game. While online interactions can often be critical, these specific words are used to build social momentum and signal respect for someone else's skill or confidence. Once you know these terms, the confusing blocks of text in a comment section or the rapid-fire conversations at work start to make sense. These 10 words function as social tools. They provide a quick way to express reactions, like absurdity or support, using just a few syllables. Language evolves because our experiences change. As we spend more time in digital spaces, we develop new ways to describe the situations we find there. To make these words stick, you have to use them. Pick one from this list and try it out in the comments below. Learning these terms is the simplest way to move from being confused by the conversation to actually being a part of it.